Hi everyone, my name is Ehsan Momeni and welcome to Applied AI for Network Engineers course. This course is designed for every network engineer who wants to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently by using the power of AI and modern LLM tools. In today's networks, automation is no longer optional and AI is becoming the new superpower. Whether you're configuring routers and switches, troubleshooting issues, documenting changes, or building automation workflows, AI can dramatically accelerate what you do. In this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloud to solve real-world networking tasks. No theory, no fluff, just practical, applied AI for real engineers and real networks. We will learn how to use AI to generate configurations, validate designs, analyze logs, document networks, and even build small automation pieces that you can use in your daily operations. You will discover how AI integrates with Python, APIs, Ansible, and your NetOps workflows to make your job simpler, cleaner, and more accurate. And the best part, you don't need to be a programmer. You don't need deep automation experience. If you understand basic networking, you are ready. Throughout this course, I'll walk you step by step through practical examples, how to prompt AI to avoid mistakes, how to generate vendor-specific configs for Cisco, Juniper, and FortiGate devices, how to use AI to troubleshoot routing, VLANs, BGP, and more, and how to build smart templates, documentation, and automation workflows, all powered by AI. By the end of this course, you will have the skills to use AI as your personal assistant for network engineering, helping you reduce manual work, eliminate errors, and speed up your day-to-day tasks. You will know how to apply AI with confidence, responsibly, and effectively in real production environment. If you're a network engineer, a NetOps professional, or someone who wants to upgrade from traditional CLI workflows into the world of AI-powered automation, this course is exactly for you. I'm excited to have you here. Let's begin this journey and unlock what AI can really do for your network engineering career.